Start with the tabletop on the floor face down. Align the column assembly with the screw holes on the tabletop. Fit each screw number 3 through a flat washer number 2 and a spring washer number 1. With the flat washers and spring washer fitted into the screw, screw each screw into the underside of the tabletop. Be sure all 6 are screwed before continuing. Align the 2 holes in the base with the column assembly. Place the bolt plate on top of the base. Align the holes in the bolt plate with the bottom of the column. Install the 2 bolts and tighten. The base must be installed in the same direction of the tabletop. Find the black screw in the column marked for removal. Remove the black screw. Do not remove the silver screws. Install each wheel into the holes in the base. Push them in. The non-locking wheels number 10 should be installed in the base furthest from the column. The locking wheels number 10 should be closest to the column. To operate. To lock the wheels, step down on the wheel locking levers. To adjust the tabletop height, lift the trip lever and push or pull the platform to the desired level.